Alright guys, we're back with Snowy. So remember, Snowy is the little deaf Aussie. I do have my sound box on today, so that buzzing sound equals the pager. I've got my nick set on 0. So remember, this dog, even if this dog wasn't deaf, it would need to be trained because she's very skittish, and she gets out at any new place, she starts looking around, time to start booger barking. But I gotta tell you, she's a very devoted little dog, and she's my constant companion. She stays right by me all the time. She never wants to be away from me. She doesn't even like to go outside. She likes to stay by me. So, just gonna start out. We're still working on shaping that heel. And that's really how you're gonna resolve a lot of that behavior, is be able to give her something else to do. As quick as possible, we'll get her downing. Just shaping that behavior of heel. This dog, I'm really just using short little pages. You know, another dog, she may have to do it a lot longer. You saw in the previous video with Pretzel. I just love that name, Pretzel. Never seen a dog that can twist and bend like that one. I was holding it down a lot longer, but obviously it's had more exposure. All right, let's just go down this way. Come on, Pretzel. Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to hire someone to give Thimble lessons. Oh, do you give lessons?
Yes, we do.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Are you guys going to be around?
Are you taking them out? Well, does it go by like a half hour? Or?
We do hour-and-a-half tours down the river, which it's 50.
We want to do it right around here.
Oh, well,
You want to just kind of just do it.
what I'm going to do is get you a card, and
Okay.
you can call
I
John.
will call you.
Yeah, John or Sam, and you guys can set it up with them.
Perfect. See all the little crabs? See if you can get any of them on camera. Little crabs, and then they just disappear. They just disappear. Anyway, so I don't know if I told you guys, but Thimble's going viral on the internet. And there's a video of her. Here comes this guy running. Here, get the card from you, Kristen.
Alright. That'll get you $5 off your first visit.
Awesome.
Oh, well, we just want an individual private lesson for her.
Right. Okay. Just give us a call and see what they'll work out with you.
Thanks.
You're very welcome. I'm sorry I can't talk longer.
Oh, no, God, no. Keep an eye on them. I wouldn't want anything to happen because we're over here battling. Kids camp. Now, maybe I don't see anything about pig lessons. Maybe it's in the fine print. I'm just not seeing it.
Well, if they fall, I don't know.
Yes, problem solved. Anyway, you see what a ditch brain Snowy
Oh,
is.
look. Whoa.
What?
All the crabs were just by our feet.
Come on, Crystal. I'm over here, Crystal. If you stand still, they don't see you. Anyway, you see what a little neurosis Snowy is. She's not a biter, though. I mean, but she could get that way. Very greedy little dog. Very, very greedy. I don't know, maybe we should sign Thimble up for the whole lesson package. She's got her own money.
Right?
We won't say anything. We'll just show up for the lesson, and they'll say, "Which one of you is getting it?" It's got the kind of lunatics. They're signing their friend up for lessons. Who are these crazy people? Hi, you guys.